First, let's go through what you're going to need. Nail polish remover, cotton pads to remove any nail polish, a cuticle oil, some tools, a buffing block, nail file, and a cuticle pusher, and of course your colors, top and base coat included. First, I'm going to go in and remove any excess nail polish and oils that are on my nails. And then I'm going in with my buffing block using sides 1 and 2 to smooth out all the ridges and make everything nice and even. I then go in with my nail file and shape all of my nails. You can clip your nails at this point too. I've went with a nice oval shape this time around. And then with a cuticle oil, I put it on a cotton pad, put it on my cuticles, and then push them back to how I want them. After I push back my cuticles, I use that same cotton ball with nail polish remover on it to remove any oils before I go in with this base coat. This is the Dermalect Makeover Ridge Filler, and it's great for filling in ridges, adding moisture to your nails, and acts as a base coat before your polish. Time for color. I'm going in with the Sally Hansen Color Therapy Argan Oil Formula in shade 230, which is Sheer Nirvana. This is 1 coat and this is 2 coats. I always apply 2 regardless. Now it's time for the design. This is so easy to do. You take your Scotch tape, apply it at an angle across your nail, and apply your secondary color. The color that I'm using is the NYC Long Wearing Color Enamel in 154 Pink Bling. The key now is to remove the tape before the second layer is completely dry. This helps the second layer not create such a ridge on your nail. Now it's time for the top coat. I'm using the Dermalect High Maintenance Instant Nail Thickener Top Coat. This stuff dries the fastest out of any top coat that I have ever used. As you can see, I put a little bit of this top coat on the very edge of my nail on the tip. This also helps the color last longer and prevents chipping. And this is our design. I hope you guys like it.